disclaimer right now. Okay, just probably let me do a quick check over here. Okay, yep. All right, so first of all, thank you for joining me. Okay, if you're here with me, appreciate if you can help me to hit the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. Again, a quick disclaimer before we start. This section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stock based on discussion in this video, make sure you go on trading plan. All right. Now, again, today we're just going to look into the overall markets. Looks pretty good. At least I didn't really check this morning, but at least tech is moving. Okay, right now, as far as I know. So we're gonna look into the overall IBM calculator first. Of course, last week I do mention I do have Dialog SNS and I do enter for GridTech as well. Then we will look into these few counters. If you got any stocks, do let me know. Comments below. Then we'll probably do a quick check. Okay. Now, overall IBM KLCI, like I say, I think have been repeats since 1 month ago. As long as above 1500, still okay. Don't expect too trending. Okay, don't expect too bullish. But today something interesting. Okay, they are trying to break the nearest resistance. Of course, right now it do break above, then it drop back. So it looks like some immediate profit taking is happening in the market. So something that good for us to watch out. Okay, I think above one immediate one above 1528 would be nice for today. If let's say they're able to close successfully above this resistance level. Okay, so if let's say yes, I think potentially we got chance. Okay, to see another retest around 1583 area. Okay, which is I think it do provide us some good opportunities. A lots of bullish in the market here. Okay, now the three counters that I think we have talked about since last week. First of all, let's take a look into SNS. Okay, SNS trend is still very good. I think this one a bit remind me of UUE. Unfortunately, UUE we didn't enter. Like previously, we are trying to enter, but due to market condition, not that to enter. But after that, they continue to break up. So this one for me, is a bit similar because they do a little bit of so-called reversal over here around this period here, reversal, and then we have pullback. Okay, pullback complete, and of course in between we got strength. Of course, UUE got more strength signal. Okay, if you check the chart over here. Now, SNS didn't have much movement as for now. Okay, but I think at least I'm quite satisfied with the closing on last Thursday. Okay, because last Thursday, I think because due to Q result, they actually dropped sharply, but after that they try to push it back. Okay, and form a so-called like a hammer candles. Okay, so as long as they are still above 525. Okay, 525 level, I think it's still pretty good. Okay, for us to continue to monitor the situation. For me, I'm still holding. Okay, so my first TP 570 and above, it do touch on Wednesday. Okay, but it didn't really match my price. Okay, so hopefully today got a chance. Okay, now the other one is Dialog. Dialog's it's a little bit disappointing, but again, this is following the oil prices and the war also. Now oil already stopped already. War already stopped already. So oil and gas probably will slow down a little bit, but at the same time they also kind of like back to this so-called support level. Okay, which is I think still good. Okay, probably will continue monitor. Of course, for me, I'm still holding it. If let's say they're still above support, most probably I will still hold. Okay, until maybe we see a weakness, or maybe I see something is good. I ran out of my capital, then I want to switch my stocks. Okay, but so far that looks still okay right now. Now let's take a look into GridTech. Okay, if you got any stocks, do comments below. I'll probably take a look into some of the stocks. Okay, if not, we will end our section. Probably I'll look into the trade scenario as well because today I think it's got a few more opportunities. Okay, that I think we can continue to monitor. Now, GridTech's nearest resistance 1.8. Okay, so today gap up, but looks like again they do a little bit profit taking already. Similar like IBM KLCI, gap up but drop a little bit. All right, so I guess we have to wait until the second half. Okay, hopefully it didn't really drop back to 1.7. If not, I think this one will be a main resistance, and it means that there will be a seller coming in, and it's going to take some time for them to break. Okay, hopefully today will be remain above, close with green candle. Of course, this morning yeah, I think it looks like profit taking is happening around this area here. Okay, now let's go into some of our trade signal. Let's see anything that is interesting. Okay, the nugget keep coming back. Okay, but unfortunately, I sold already at lower price. Okay, looks like they are trying to break this resistance. Okay, never mind. Either is I trade on breakout. I trade on break above reaccumulation. Now, inform this morning I do post it into the Telegram. A nice reversal with volume, something I think is worthwhile to look into. Okay, if you want to look for something that is coming from the bottom. Okay, I think they are still in the early reversals there. Okay, Penta, I was expecting a pullback, but again, it same like all the tech also, like Red Tech also, it do make a gap up then. And of course, right now it's profit taking. So let's see whether towards the afternoon it will pull back slightly lower or not. Okay, well, our IPG is nice. Okay, again, reversal. This is again similar like UUE patterns. We have reversal, we couple of shrank. Okay, building, and today looks like pullback completes. Okay, heading to a 2 ringgit area. Okay, so this is our IPG. Any other stocks that I think is interesting? HE Group. Wait, HE Group coming back. Huh? Oh, the other is shooting star high volume. Hey, now trying to cross the shooting star. Okay, looks nice. Okay, I think our IPG is quite nice today. Of course, HE Group, but HE Group, how many percent already right now? 6 to 7%. Okay, 6 to 7% is it's a bit high lah for me. Okay, so far I think our IPG is okay. Go Bio, no setups. Kuskapi, no setups. HT Padu. Okay, not so strong. Okay, Malakov keep coming back also recently. Okay, but this one is a bit long-term type. Okay, slow and steady if you like it. If you like it. So far, I like our IPG. Probably later on see how like if let's say techno pullback, probably I aim for our IPG already. Okay, return okay, still holding well above support. Okay, of course, great tech. UEMS. Okay, UEMS got a shakeout. Okay, EDATEC also. They make a nice recovery. Any others? MYEG also slow and steady. Yeah. All this actually is building a long-term reaccumulation. If you got patient, I think okay for MYEG. But MYEG tricky lah. Sometimes they do a shakeout quite often. So that's why I traded like 2-3 times also gonna shake out. Okay, but if you are steady type, you're looking for let's see whether the fundamental is good or bad for MYEG. Oh, okay. MYEG actually FA is quite good, 7 out of 9. Okay, if you got patience one, then yeah, because they are into AI as well. Okay, same with SNS. Okay, Cloud Point. Okay, kind of similar all similar like the rest of the tech. Holding well above support. Wasco. And then just saw someone mention about Wasco. Okay, not too bad. This is also a reversal. But so far, as for right now, the one that I can see, of course, I kind of like our IPG at this moment. Any other new one? PIE. Oh, PIE. PIE macam belum jalan. Okay, good. PIE and IPG lah. I think both of them both of to look into it. Okay, good morning, Suiwa. Okay, Penta unfortunately is a bit high lah. Penta break resistance really last week. Okay, I think Inari. Okay, Inari still now profit taking already. Let's see whether 2 ringgit got chance or not. Okay. EcoWest. Oh yeah, let's take a look into Kopi and Mr. DIY before we close our section. Again, this is some of the previous counters that actually I'm monitoring. But didn't enter, okay, because due to certain reasons. Wow, okay, damn strong. Still holding around the 20 MA. Mr. DIY, I think Mr. DIY also making a recovery. Holding well. Okay, I think probably Mr. DIY. Quite nice. Okay, if let's say there's no question, once again, thank you for joining me this morning over here. Again, a short session, so, okay, just to give a overall updates. Uh, like I say, tech make a gap, but immediately we do see a little bit of profit taking is happening this morning. So hopefully it's a good opportunities, okay, for us to trade with pullbacks. Okay, I actually looking into PIE and Indari. If let's say there's a so-called good area, okay, for us to watch out. Well, let's give a try today. Again, don't do any buy and sell call, right? So again, if you are here, join our Telegram, okay, for more daily discussion. I do post out chart from time to time if I spot anything nice. With this, thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.